Hello, who are you? My dear boy.
Hi.
Yes, hello. And what are you doing exactly?
I'm just watching your video.
I think you have a most beautiful face.
Cat in the Wheel? I barely know you.
Pardon me for saying this, but I feel like I'm a brother to you.
Cat in the Wheel, how can you say that? We just met.
Because I'm lonely and I want to get off of this wheel. Help me. Please help me.
Oh, Cat in the Wheel. Welcome to the wide, wide world.
All the people on YouTube just left me on this wheel. I thought they were my friends.
Welcome to the realm of rationality, Cat in the Wheel. Welcome to the rest of your life, Cat in the Wheel. Welcome.
I thought maybe I would find love if I just ran on this wheel.
Cat in the Wheel, I want to help you. I believe that each one of us can achieve our dreams. If only we would just get off of the wheels that we place in our lives. Cat in the Wheel, you're no different from me.
Best advice I've heard in years. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.
I want you to know, Cat, that although we've never met, I feel like we have a kinship. And no one can take that away from us, Cat.